Hey guys, it's your boy Decepticon Jerry here, and in today's video we're going to take a look at the new wooden railway. Kevin. Yeah, Kevin. This guy. So, let's just get down to it. So, as you can see, the details pretty accurate for the most part, of course. Solar's Steamworks right there in the logo. We got these wasp stripes, they're called. Yeah. You got the crane arm right there. The magnet for the load. And you can see me right there. Hello. Anyway. So yeah. There's the bottom. It says Kevin right there. Here's the top. And he has this nervous expression. I don't know why they chose that. But, oh well. So yeah, that's Kevin. Pretty cool toy. That's the back. He has the magnet. Again, they should probably do a Solar Steamworks set that includes Victor. Please give us Victor. If you did Kevin, do Victor for the third wave that we know nothing about. What is going on, Mattel? Give us the third wave. We need more wooden railway toys. Please. If you did Kevin and Hiro, please do Victor and other characters that needs to have good quality wooden railway toys. Please and thank you. Please. Please. And for the quick comparisons, here's Kevin with Thomas, with Percy, with Hiro, and just because here is with my City Series High Tower. So, there you go, compared to High Tower. This might be a fair comparison. In addition, here he is with the Sonic Prime 9/Tails. Overall, pretty good toy in my opinion. Now, I don't own the original wooden railway Kevin, nor that crappy wood version. Now, I did have the Take and Play, or was it Take Along Kevin, but yeah, I don't have that anymore. Sorry, so I can compare that. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the wooden railway Kevin. And for my final thoughts, I like it. I like him a lot. I just wish this wooden railway includes a third wave that Mattel hasn't announced. Probably next year, I hope. Please Way better. Yeah, sure. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the Railway Kevin. This is Decepticon Jerry saying like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Decepticon Jerry signing off.